Alkaline now, how is he figured in all of that? Because, but do you see him as part of your family, your bloodline?
No,
Based on the fact that he's...
May I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
People, I don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, I want to come for that way I talk facts, you know. Yeah, man. Really have to make the people them know what I go on. You see me? But look at today now. Bounty killer. Forward. Your day today now. You never know. You never know say that day I go forward. Come here to make the people them know what I go on. You understand? Because we know the dancehall things stay already. Zine, we know say back in the days, artists usually carry artists on stage, carry them go studio. But then producer no one give no artist when no establishing the business yet no highlight. Is an artist who establish have to carry a artist to the producer for them vice them. Zine, so them time there, certain artists it harder for artists boss. Cause them time they never have social media and certain little things. Zine. So remember, you don't know Bounty Killer have him alliance. You see, but you don't know alliance turn appliance now. You understand? Everybody split up, everybody gone over yes and way. Because this is the thing, you know. Bounty is a brother, he want control. He want control the so-called big man them. Zine, because he want always dep on top. Nobody know fi elevate more than him. He want tell everybody where them for say. All of them little things. That's why him and nobody could. That's why Donia fi left. All of them have to fall out. Cartel, all of them. Movado. Zine? This is the thing, people. You see some of my time, this is the thing when you bring down youths. Zine? So, you don't know a thing said. Him was the one where them say you was sign up artists and Ray. Alliance. Enough artists, Ray. The man them were left here now, left Alliance and every little thing now. Them did have left Alliance for be who them be today. Because if them under bounty wings. Trust me. Nobody would know them today. On a bigger scale. See? So when Alkaline found in their business now, Zine, because today no Bounty Killer go get touch, you know. I tell you, you know, I don't want normal touch him get today. Zine? So Alkaline found in their business. Zine, I do him thing. Remember, you know, back then, nobody now carry Alkaline go to studio or nothing, you know. Alkaline I go round and I try make it. If now an artist we carry him around if you go say producer, yo, do this for him. Ray. Enough turn down and one bag of thing. Zine, the artists before Alkaline, some of them a come from the Alliance thing. The Alliance kingdom whatsoever. Zine, links and rate. Zine, Alkaline dead now, I do him thing. Zine, this are the thing now. I go play one clip. This is when Bounty first come out. You know him a try shades off of Alkaline. Because you don't know Alkaline, he sing the song. Same song everybody, them brain sit down pan it. Sometimes you wonder if them people love man or something. You know a song where Alkaline sing. See, the wash thing. See? Look here now. I play that clip here.
You can hear that boy come around and come sing some foolish. You see from what they talk about? Dancehall I get kinky. Dancehall I get, you know what dancehall I get? Too friendly. Everybody like everybody. Me no like everybody. Me like who me like. Me no like it. Me no love likes. So me I tell them.
So people no just watch a video with the clip a while ago. Here Bounty say, remember you know, want to remember that clip here, you know, people. Remember him say, yo, him not too friendly and Ray and it too friendly. Zine, him say dancehall too friendly and him not friendly with everybody. Zine, nothing wrong with that. Remember, you know, how Alkaline moving, Alkaline not friendly either. But when him look on Alkaline, them a say him hype and him go on like him better than nobody. Zane, remember say Bounty say him not friendly. Zane, alright. So, basically after that, you know, Ray, him a try fling shit off a youth and Ray. Zane, don't know say, him have a son, you know, where staying up your whole of dancehall with some song, you know. Zane, staying up your whole of dancehall with some song. And get find out say him have to end up bow down to that Sunday today. Zane, this is the thing, people. Alkaline a do him thing. Zane, alright. So basically, when him dead now, him do an interview. Zane, him do an interview on stage. I'm going to play the clip and I'm going to see people.
Alkaline now, how is he figured in all of that? Because, but do you see him as part of your family, your bloodline?
No,
Based on the fact that
he's a bloodline. He's stealing cartel style. It still doesn't make him a part of our family.
Okay.
But everybody have influence in music.
Yeah.
Just like when I came out, I have influence of Shabba and Butcher, and you could hear it in my music. But it never really made me a thief them style. It was just they are the dominant one in my days coming up, and that's what you're listening to. And you never intend to pattern it, but that's what playing, and that's what giving you the vibe.
Zane, alright. So win for the ask him about Alkaline. And I'm ask him if him under him family and Ray. Him say no. Him not under him family. And one bag of thing. Zane, I remember you know. Him a say yo. When Shabba and them man they and Ray, I do them thing. Zane, and him say yo, him try to sound like them and Ray. Nobody never say I copy anything. Zane, remember you know. I'm going to ask the question. Cartel and Alkaline sound the same? I that more no. Cause see it there no. Him same one. I say. Him not think. Him do that when him try for Ray with Shabba them. Zane back in the days when him a try do a thing. Zane? For sure you know. Because Alkaline alone copy everything in a dancehall. Yeah man. Alkaline alone do it. Zane? And him a say yo, him not in a family and Ray. This is that. Remember you know. Majority of them are come from under theme wing. But I not him make them reach certain level. You understand? So, this are the thing now, people. After that interview there, Zane and certain little things. Cause you don't know, him want to say, yo, him are the person who can sign off artists. Cause I be a control youths, you know. See? I be a control. That's why dancehall is like this. Because them only want this money have to sign off. Like, you see him talk, him go on like him control dancehall. No man not own dancehall, brother. Zine? No man. People now today only respect Bounty. Zine? Because he make people know a couple artists. When him carry up on stage and highlight them thing. Zine? That's all. And him look at music, them and certain look at thing. Zane, alright, people, me I go play that next clip there, you know. Zane, alright, I want to listen to that clip here.
What happened between them? Them coming up in a conflict, you know. People me see this as say. Me no see none of the man them do nothing towards each other. Come here one day so the fans them just get up and make them clash with them once in nowadays. Kind of make believe clash this.
No,
Come here and Beanie did have a little musical conflict. Clash come from something, you know. Clash and another something we pick up. You just match up towards and tell them to clash. And that's how it go. Me don't understand. That's how clash go nowadays. We just match up two men and tell them to clash. Come in and see Massacre or that man have any conflict. Personally, me not see Massacre say not about him or him say not about Massacre. So me don't know why me I hear about them fi clash. Them fi collaborate. That song them fi go do. People them don't want to clash right now. The people them want some big collaboration. That the music want. That's what hold on Jamaica music. Because when the forces them rise against each other, they don't rise together. That's one of our problem. Our cells and our towers fight against each other. Nothing pull together.
Alright, now listen to the clip. So basically, he must say, yo, what Alkaline and Massacre have. See? For them a war and thing. Remember, you know how comes Beanie and Bounty start a little war thing? May I show you. Because I must say stone love thing. Some for perform or whatsoever, cause Bounty say him have somewhere to go. And Beanie Man forward late. So he must say, yo, Bounty I perform, that means everybody is perform already. And from this how it start. Zine? So basically he must say, yo, when Massacre and Alkaline have fear war or whatsoever, Ray. Zine? Remember, you know, until this day, they must say, yo, Alka fi throw words and Ray. Remember say, Cartel come out and say, yo, I'm a Massacre fi war. Zine? Remember say, a Bounty this, you know. I say it, you know. Zine? He must say, where them a war for whatsoever. So nobody, no fear come out and I say, yo, Ray. We know why Cartel and Movado thing. Zine? Alright. So basically, he must say, yo, I collab them for collab. Zine? So alright then. So when him and Beanie fi war and every little thing, nobody did tell them say, yo, nobody with the warring thing. A collab or for collab. Because this is the thing, you know. It's like Bounty. Remember say you say the clash we go on with you and Beanie Man, it change your career. Remember that. Because uno see him one, all along the youths them. Zine? Uno see him one, all along the youths them. Cause you go say, yo, that's why dancehall no move and the genre no move because we no collab and Ray. Bounty, I'm gonna tell you this if you never know, cause you know music how long. Cause no for uno, you know. That's why back in the days, no for uno elderly artists get robbed up, you know. And money and Ray, you know. Cause no for uno know things. But Bounty, if you check it, let me tell you this. You see, dancehall do more collaboration than any other genre. Me I tell you that. Go check it. We do more collaborations than any other genre. Zine? We are talking about young, old, whatsoever. Zine? So, basically, you are say, yo, I that I bring down the music and Ray. No. I uno. I bring down the youths and a whole genre. Because you not try put it with one man. Remember, say, uno one artist will bow to uno. Rather than uno, look on the artist them and say, yo, do this. Go on out the youth. No. Uno prefer bring down. Zine? Uno prefer bring down artists. That are the thing with uno. You understand? Uno elder, you know. Remember, so when uno fouled up in a game and I do nothing, you know. Uno get the fight and Ray and this, that, you know. But you know what? Uno come do this to the same youth. But Bounty, remember this. You see, when you try to poison the youth them career, Zine, when you try to do this to the youth them career, remember say you have kids coming up. We are going to do music. Remember that. You understand? Because uno, all about the genre thing. Uno, Bounty, remember this. Remember say you start the sensation of artists bowing. Yo, I'm a general this, yo, him. Remember say you start that. That's why Winford asks you if him coming forward in your generation. See? That's why I'm asking you that. See? Uno. Me know you not see African them they are the yo a bow down to each other and a Ray. The man them do them thing. See him over in the US. The man them do them thing. Uno. All about the youths them. Uno bring down. Same like how you bring down Alkaline. Zine? Alkaline never do you nothing. You know why you no vex with Alkaline? It's because Alkaline never forward under uno bowing mentality of controlling the youths and try to steer them away. Which the youth them are more elevate more than uno. I do more better than uno. Right now. You understand? Uno do you want control dancehall till you know old and grey and whatsoever. And things have to move on. You understand? That are the thing of uno. All along the music because you know that try gatekeep and I try cut certain links from people. You understand? You are Movado never good and you try and do a lot of things. You say yo man a groupie and Ray and this that. See your show forward up there. Who are going to on your show now? The same Movado. Who are going to on your show? Who are going to give straight now? Eh? You see some of my time? On the time I go forward. You understand? And you see that you name Alkaline? You say if him never strong, maybe he would reach it today. But he might expose enough of no ways. Remember me tell you that. Zine? But people, me go play a next clip. Zine? Me play a next clip and make you see. This the video here are with CJ Chrome. Zine? Watch a clip here.
Because even, as I said, these things you're linking with him and all these things here. But there was one song in particular where this has caused problems with you and Bounty at this time here.
Right. That was song of the future.
Song. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like,
I mean,
easy.
Yeah, for me, I was just doing music. I didn't care about the real politics of that, what goes on beyond the music.
Mm-hmm.
So Alkaline did a song and him have a disrespectful line there where him diss somebody else.
Mm-hmm.
For me, it was just music. At the times, I mean, me and Foota were cool. Me and Bunty did cool. Well, so I thought then Bunty, reacted to it and say, oh, we shouldn't produce a song like that. I diss him. But for me, this wasn't the first time I'm doing a song that is dissing anybody. I remember doing a song before that on the Dancehall FX Rhythm where somebody was being, and I did release it. It wasn't a big deal. So for me, it wasn't a big deal at the time. It was just music. I thought everybody just knows, it's just music. It's not my opinion. It's somebody else's opinion.
So I just watch a clip a while ago, people. This is ZJ Crew. Me hear what him say. So basically, I say, yo, him do a song with Alkaline, put it out. Some this song. I think the song where Alkaline sing about some maybe Watch Pan Chain or whatsoever. Zine, I think of that. Zine, remember this, If a man sing about chain or whatsoever, I think them say Bounty did get robbed with chain or rare. This, that. Zine, remember, Alkaline singing that. For sure, he's saying it's a brother well loving him feelings, And look, you see what man do? The man attack ZJ Chrome because the man are doing work, are doing job, are doing business, are put out in music. Right? Remember what man saying every day, Him not in the politics thing. The man know what go on. Him not in the politics thing. Him just do music. Him say, yo, him did things say, yo, I did music. You understand? And this is the thing. I saw them fight the youths them. So him stop deal with the man because of that. You understand? And the youth I do him thing, I try make him bread. Zine, because I don't know what kind of this, that, or whatsoever. You are come call, man, or whatsoever. These are the things the man them do. And I go ask the man why him release the song. I don't want to be gatekeepers and all of them look something there. See? You don't want man to do collapse and one bag of thing. Like say, bro, you never did no you same one. Say in a video so you don't like it. And you don't like people and rare. So how you want people feel like other people and do collab with them when them and them no good? You understand? And that you don't want to see in a dancehall. You see it? But because Alkaline come and change the game, me know that make you vex. Alkaline forward and change the game. You see it? Because all of the artists them back then, general, rare. That's all the accolades you have. So you boss artists. See? But look here. Remember say you are youth them way you boss the youth them and then break them down, Style them after, Remember, See? The whole of them, And not even say one. Most of them. Is what me try and them have to left around your side and go build them own a group and them own a thing. For make it out there, because if them sit down with you, much artists go around your bounty. After Movado and Cartel and Donor them and some of the people them left, much artists you try with. None of them couldn't bust under your wings. None of them, because why? Wanna try to control youth, message and career with phone and I know say, yo, this is a different generation from phone. You understand? This is a more media thing, more style, more this, more that. You understand? But you don't want to put the old thing with the new thing. No, you can't do that. You understand? The thing different right now. Social media around the place. You don't want to put in the old mixture and the new mixture. No, brother. And that's how your thing work. You understand? Dancehall is out there. And you know why dancehall no reach a certain level? Is because there's a lot of gatekeepers. And remember, say our music kind of a different message with certain little things. You understand? Some people don't understand it. You see it? And uno too. Uno try for blackball people and try when if somebody if you open a gate for an artist, uno try to say cut the link this and say yo no. That are with uno. You understand? Uno only highlight artists where uno can control. See? That are the thing with uno. Them they are the artists them want to highlight. Because remember when Cartel diss you up the most way. No other me not think no other artists diss you up like when Cartel do. And look where today. Look where today. You know why? Because you're afraid of Gaza fan them. You're afraid of backlash. You understand? And that's why you end up post. Because this is the thing in a bounty. We never forgot your time coming . See? Because we know why you post Alkaline show. The Sons. It's because you want the strength. Because we not try to talk about unity. This, that. I know unity build dancehall. I know unity. All if we not try say a strength to not look. Strength. Strength to not look. See Sean Paul and Shaggy out there do it. I mean nah see. Uno show up them man the talent and certain little things. Uno nah do that. What Sean Paul and Shaggy do, me never saw now prep up that. And them man they do it big out there for dancehall. You know what I wanna say? Them man they don't do dancehall. Ray, and a dancehall him do. Because why? Uno can't control them man the thing. And that with Uno. You understand? Uno can't control them man the thing. Uno only want control where they in a little local space. Because Uno have the links them with the DJs them and everything and Ray and this, that. Uno fi disrespect people out there. I don't expect to get disrespect. And when you get disrespect, Uno want to turn it into another way. That are with Uno bully artists over years and at that mash up dancehall. Uno don't highlight the youths them. And at that mash it up too. If Uno the highlight all of the dancehall artists them, the one them where do the move, wanna see the potential, dancehall would have been more better and bigger. If you see the other genre them a highlight them artists them. Or if a 5 to get highlight, a 5 I get highlight. You understand? That's why the African artists them I do it. Because why? Them a get them thing highlight. Nobody now fi bout, nobody now take no orders from nobody. Ray. Dancehall thing. Yo, I'm to you, man, I may have to sign him off, man. Yeah, man, we are show him my road. Yeah, man. He must follow down, he must show we respect before we put him out there. I saw uno work. Uno only highlight things where bloom already. You understand? That uno do nothing, and that's why uno eat Alkaline, because Alkaline come open a can of worm for sure. And say, look here, them artists we are fight down the youth them career, try manipulate the youth them career. Uno no need them. Uno can do no own thing, building all the producers and everything, keep on the own shows. Uno no need them, and that's why uno rate the youth. And nothing about no copying or whatsoever. The thing is that him broke no code. And you never like that because you never come and big on up. You understand? Because you grow up with this mentality. That's why the music not really grow like that, because you grow with this mentality of yo, what this artist this, that. Yo, this a man you carry me in this, Ray, this, that. Alkaline forward and say, yo, people inspire him. What's the problem with that? People is people is everybody. Uno with full mentality now, so we wanna grow up. Yo, what this a man Yeah, man. This a man I'm a god, man. Yeah, man, a them man I'm a watch. Ray, this, that. That's how we wanna grow up. Alkaline grow up different. When Alkaline say people, Alkaline say everybody. Uno want bow down to a specific thing. Yo, this a such man, Yeah, man, a them man, Ray. Yo, this a man, them man, I look up to bow down mentality. That's how we kill dancehall. The bow down. Nobody can do no interview again without, yo, if you do this, we got no. That's why when Alkaline do the interview where they no cuss and no vex and no go on no feelings. Because you no get no big up on them, because no grow up in that world. No for uno, that's why no for the dancehall artists that fall off and they kill the genre. Because them so into another man world. Big up, this, that, look strength. When them for do things to themselves now, them can't do it. Because man I put nipple back in them mouth. You understand? That's how we mash up the music. You see it? And that's the thing. You see me? So, Bounty, you were talking about, yo, Manfrey and Calab and Ray and this, that. How much people you collab with? Zine, if you would have pre the music the right way, you would say, yo, call Alkaline one side, yo, you know, say this not right, Ray. But you know, Badmine and the ego thing with Uno and the control mentality make Uno can't do that. You see me? Uno could have say, yo, Alka forward. Jano, I don't like that, you know. Rather than Uno guide the youth them, Uno bring them down, and that's why dancehall no go certain levels. That's how Uno do. You understand? Uno prefer bring down. Rather than Uno teach the youths, Uno prefer bring them down. That's the problem with Uno. You understand? No collab now, nothing to do with no. Cause if one man a dominate, if a man a dominate out there, him a go up on the stage and a do film session. Him now go up on this, him now go up on the stage, you whole tour with this bag of same set of artists them. You understand? As some man do it because them need the strength now. You understand? So, nothing wrong with if artists collab. But you can't force nothing with no man but want a collab thing. The dancehall space not really like Alkaline with that. So you got to talk about your collab, yo, Imam Massacre to do collab and Ray, this, that. You don't want to suppress the youth thing. And that you don't want. You understand? That nah do nothing for dancehall, brother. That nah do nothing for dancehall. You understand? Nothing it nah do for dancehall, bro. We only supposed to highlight, you nah highlight. We only highlight some unnecessary things. Seeing the bow down mentality, the hype and the fame. Things we want to run with. You understand? But I just say thing go. You see it? But Bounty, your time up. You understand? The game pass far gone from you now. You retire right now. You have to just go and do your thing. You have a show come up. You understand? You throw a little jams them off of Alkaline with one bagger. And you're a big man, brother. You're a big man. And you're right in a comment and one bagger thing and Ray. Zine? Cartel Father Road and I do him first show in a Brooklyn. You go and type, yo, this our such style, get off her. Bro, you know, sometimes you don't sound like a big man, brother. You trace too much. You say you're general, but general not trace, brother. You there every day a comment on things what the little youth do. Imagine a little youth. You run back. Because you want so-called, you make him think look bad. Zine? And everybody knows say, yo, you're one of the biggest hypocrites in a dancehall. You understand? Yeah. Because you bring down the artists them, and when the artists them reach pan a level, you see him and say, yeah man, I'm my pitney man, him do good man, Ray. That's how you do it. Bring down youth. That's why that's why alliance turn appliance now. And everybody see it. You understand? And that's what the thing said. You see me? But people they don't know enough. Yeah man, a media facts. You see it. That is it.